The ransomware encrypts the files on the computer, making them unreadable. An individual's computer will display a message stating their files have been encrypted and demanding payment for the decryption key. In May 2017, more than 200,000 computers in 150 countries were affected by the WannaCry ransomware attack. Using the Eternal Blue exploit, the attack leveraged a vulnerability in Windows operating systems. Various industries were impacted, including healthcare, transportation, and the government. NotPetya, Ryuk, Sodinokibi, and Lakargoga are just few examples of the most notorious ransomware attacks that have occurred in the past, and list is keep growing. What is ransomware? But before we go further, we need to understand one basic concept. Encryption converts plaintext data into a coded format so that someone with the decryption key can only read the decrypted data. Ransomware uses various encryption algorithms, such as RSA, AES, etc., to encrypt files. Without the encryption key, it is almost impossible for victims to regain access to their files. Ransomware is malware that encrypts the victim's files and demands payment, usually in a cryptocurrency, in exchange for the decryption key. Ransomware works similarly to any other type of malware but takes one step further. It encrypts all or specific files such as PDFs, documents, photos, spreadsheets, and operating system files. In some cases, it locks all computers and prevents all users. Ransomware is typically distributed through phishing emails, malicious websites, or by exploiting vulnerabilities in outdated software. Ransomware uses various encryption algorithms, such as RSA or AES, to encrypt the files. These algorithms are extremely difficult to break. Upon completion of the encryption process, the ransomware will display instructions on how to pay on the victim's computer. In most cases, the ransom demand is made in cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, so that attackers can remain anonymous and undetected. The victim must pay the attacker's ransom to regain access to their files. The attacker provides the victim with a decryption key in exchange for payment. With the decryption key provided by the attacker, the victim can then use it to decrypt their files and regain access to them. Steps that you can take to protect your computer and network from a ransomware attack. Keep your operating system and software up to date. Use antivirus software. Antivirus software can help to detect and block malware, including ransomware, from infecting your computer. Be careful with emails and links. Ransomware is often distributed through phishing or malicious links. Be cautious of clicking on links or opening attachments from unknown senders. Use a firewall. A firewall can help to block unauthorized access to your computer and network and stop malware from communicating with its command and control server. Back up your files regularly. Having a regular backup of your files is the best way to protect them from ransomware. Make sure to keep a copy of your important files in a separate location, such as an external hard drive, and make sure they are not always connected to your computer. Employee education. Educate your employees about the risks of ransomware and the importance of following best practices for cybersecurity. Have incident response plan in place and practice it regularly. This will help your organization respond quickly and effectively in case of an attack. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for future videos.